Welcome guys. Here we are in this lecture, the Booleans in Python. Booleans represent one of two values, true or false. You need to know about if an expression is true or false, and you can evaluate any expression in Python, get one of two answers, true or false. Python comes with Booleans with the predefined true and false displays that are basically just the integers 1 and 0. It also has a placeholder object called none. Let's walk through a few examples that we will deeper into later in this course. When you compare the two values, the expression is evaluated in Python, return the Boolean answer like this example 10 is greater than 9. This statement will return true. And here we are going to learn about the evaluate values, variables, and bools, and let's walk it through. So the first example, set the object to the Boolean. To Boolean, suppose my object is equal to true. Suppose. And now, so here we go, my object, and here if we run all, then it's return the true. So we can also use the comparison operators here, the comparison operators to create the Booleans as well. Here like 1 is greater than 2, this will be the return the false. Here it is return the false. So also we can create the none as well, like my object is equal to none, and then we need to my object, also we can print it as well. So here this is just only assign the none, so it is not showing it. So if we print it, the my object, then see, and now it is printing the none. So also if we talk about the Boolean or the Bool function, which is built in like that here, the Bool built-in function like Bool, and here the my posit my object, then let's see what it returns. It's returning the false now. So here is the none, and it's a Bool function returning the false. So this function returns the true or false, and we can use it as well. So thank you, and I'll be back with next lecture. That's it about the Booleans.